So give it a few more minutes before people come on.
It's fine. It's fine.
I don't like the crazy gap up on Qs, man.
Morning.
Something's cooking because they still got room. QQQ still got room. They're finally into blue skies.
Joey, we're on tomorrow, buddy. Morning, Joey. 18, good morning. MP,
Looks
good
like you
morning.
got attacked by an octopus.
Me? I don't want to get attacked by an octopus. I want to put an octopus on the grill, baby. Fucking eat it.
Huh? I love you too, dear.
Aw, that's so nice.
Your mic's on, A-Team.
My bad, guys.
No, you're good. We love you.
Jerry, good morning. Stats, what's up, buddy? Good morning. Trade placed. Dow, good morning, everyone. Rise and shine, you beautiful faces.
For those of you guys that keep asking me about VIX and Joey, I already talked to you about this, but there's a couple other people. The VIX is too low for SPX. I mean, for me to try to scalp SPX, VIX is way too low. So I'm staying
Guys,
away.
if I'm gonna have a green day today, if we're gonna have a green day collectively, I'll do a VIX class after stream. How's that sound? You guys are down? I'll do a VIX class today. This is a great time for a VIX class. Yeah, I'll do a VIX class, guys. You guys gotta learn about the VIX. This is not a good market condition to dump more money in. This is not a good market, I'm telling you guys.
Or if we're trying to scalp fast price action right now.
Correct, yeah. I'll teach you guys about VIX and implied volatility. You guys are struggling in this market, trust me, it doesn't mean that you need to put more money. This market is horrible right now. This is the worst market conditions we can trade. If we are green in this market conditions, guys, we can be green in any market condition. This is a very strong, solid market condition where it's hard.
At least you don't pay 7 figures in taxes.
I don't pay any taxes, honestly. He's an idiot if he pays taxes.
You know how much money you gotta clear to pay 7 figures in taxes?
Look at the conditions on the 30-minute chart. Look at the conditions, guys. If we, in 8 minutes, close this bar red on the 30-minute chart, a bearish divergence will confirm. Actually, no, I'm lying. We need to make a new high. We need to make a new high for a bearish divergence to confirm. No, 30 minutes looks garbage. Woo! 18! Congratulations to your wife. I hope she passes. Oh, buddy.
Why, what's going on?
Oh, buddy.
Oh.
A-team is gonna be...
Ooh.
A-team is gonna be fucking rich soon, buddy. Please tell me she's gonna do personal injury law. Trust in the States. Nice. I went to law school. I took the LSATs twice. I went to law school for 1 year. I hated it. And my best friend actually finished law school. He took the bar 5 times. 5 times.
Yikes.
On his fifth time, 18, I'll tell you what he took. On his fifth time, he started taking Adderall. 18, if anything, I'm not saying that she's gonna fail, but God forbid, I'm telling you, Adderall. It helps. Lawyer roll. Let me see this. I'm gonna check this out after. I did not see this. Best of luck to her, buddy.
Okie dokie. All right, I'm all set up over here. Guys, I don't have anything. I have yesterday's cluster demand potentially where we bounced in pre-market. We also bounced there yesterday pre-market, 638 area. And then if we head north today, I don't have anything. Just a little bit of supply at 639.30s. And obviously pre-market from today, 638.80s. So we'll see. 10 o'clock news. Your wife's a lawyer without a degree. Or is she good at arguing with you, Patel?
Yeah, she takes that flip flop, right? That slipper just fucks you up.
Right here.
Wow, look at the VIX, guys. Look at the VIX.
Oh, dude,
God.
VIX is crushed. VIX is so crushed.
Look at the VIX, guys. This is gonna be a very difficult day of trading. I hate when the VIX is so fucking low.
Contracts are going to open up at like 10% again today.
Only thing I can tell you guys, small account, cash accounts, do not hold for big moves. I'm telling you, it's not gonna work. Do not hold for big moves.
You'll be able
Gotta
to
be in and
hear
out.
you'll be able to hear the expected, like what you should expect on contract movements, but dude, like even yesterday, or was it yesterday or the day before? It was really hard for me to squeeze 10 cents out of contracts on cycles. So
Joey, this is not the market conditions to actually wait for a home run, buddy. When the VIX is fucking $30, $40, then it's gonna be home run for you. This is not the market conditions. I hate when the VIX is so low. It's super difficult trading, man.
Lobo, we're doing it early today. You ready? That one wasn't that good. Oh yeah.
We're gonna have a range, guys. Trade tops and bottoms of this range. That's it. This is what I see, guys. The range. I will show you guys a picture of what range I'm showing you guys. So this range breaks, guys. Tops and bottoms of this range. As you guys can see, yesterday we had this range also. Today we have this range. POC is in the middle of the range. Yesterday we broke down from this range and we made it a resistance and we broke down. Today I believe we will break out of the range, make the range a support, and test pre-market highs of yesterday. This is my opinion. But this is our range for you for today, guys. 65-cent range for now. And POC is right in the middle of it. It's going to be a daunting task to make money today, guys. So,
Good morning, Dan. How you doing, buddy?
yes, you can. What's up, Dan? Good morning, buddy.
I apologize I didn't
everyone.
get back to you yesterday, Dan. Ask Dimitri. I was sitting at my computer pretty much all day working. Every time this guy called me,
he's
he's like, "You're
working.
still working?"
Listen, I once scrolled down 2,000 pages through Pornhub also.
Oh, trust me, I wish. Pornhub is blocked in Florida. It doesn't even work in Florida anymore.
I'm just joking.
You think the last thing I want to do is upload a picture of my face to have access to Pornhub in Florida? They're probably starting like a sex
no, that's
offender
what you gotta
registry.
do?
Yeah, you have to
You
upload
really
your
gotta
ID. Yeah, you have to upload your ID or a picture of yourself to prove that you're over 21 or 18. They're probably starting a
No
freaking
way.
sex offender registry. I'm not freaking uploading nothing. Kidding me?
Yeah, that's only because there was a big scandal in regards to Pornhub having a lot of underage kids that are being trafficked and all that. So there was a big lawsuit.
Yeah,
That's
it's
why they're
terrible.
very strict right now in regards to that, which is actually good in a way.
Yeah, I don't know. When I was
No
little,
way.
I was curious too. I don't know how they could traffic people on there. I remember my grandmother caught me. It was like typed in like bigboobies.com. My grandmother used to babysit me. What are you doing?
What do you want me to do? Cut it off?
My dad one time caught me with my freaking LimeWire videos, if you
Oh
remember
yeah, yeah. I
LimeWire.
remember LimeWire, dude. You know how many computers I crashed with LimeWire? Just the viruses.
Yo, you ain't even know it. All those Windows computers would get destroyed.
The best with LimeWire is when you were gonna download a song and then you'd get one by accident.
That one I'm not sure about, bro.
Oh yeah.
I don't think I had that.
Look at Q's, man. Q's is gonna take the supply out pre-market. Unbelievable. Guys, if we just rip into blue skies today, I'm probably gonna. I'm not gonna force a trade. I'll just put it that way. I was struggling yesterday, trying to look for trades, and these market conditions are not favorable for scalping. They're not favorable for scalping. You could try shorting supply, but supply has not been working. It worked yesterday, but we'll see. We got job
Structure,
openings if I recall
structure
that.
is bullet, guys. We're approaching our level. I got puts on my screen right now.
Q's is looking like they're going to just blast through pre-market high into blue skies, so I'm not going to touch supply. I'm going to see where they go. If anything, I'll chase if demand breaks, but supply I don't want to be a part of. There you go. Q's is above pre-market.
Okay, I have to call Schwab.
QQQ is above pre-market. What's the matter?
I'll tell you later. I have no idea.
Well, good thing you didn't get in puts. Because look at the Q's. Q's looking like they want
This
to
is my level. We're at the top of the channel. I think puts here.
Give it some time, guys. QQQ is very bullish right now. I wouldn't step in front of this yet. If we get a nice pullback and we hold pre-market floor, I'd say probably better to just go long.
This is my level, guys. I would do puts here.
How do premiums look? QQQ is blast off mode, dude. They look a little bit better than yesterday, actually. QQQQQ is through the roof.
Anybody that puts there, that was the best level, guys. I posted a screenshot of why.
If we hold
That was
this
the best
floor,
level for.
if we hold this
I'm
pre-market
just gonna be in
floor,
a fucking 60-cent range, guys. Ooh, look at that, guys. Who took puts? Yo, Charles Schwab just costed me fucking thousands of dollars. I don't know why I can't buy anything. Why is my fucking broker locked?
I'm gonna try calls here, just see if my broker's working. 638 calls.
I'll be back.
All right. I want to see us hold this pre-market floor here, a little bit lower. They bounce up out of here, I'm in. All right, I'm in puts. 638 calls. I'm sorry, I'm in calls. Pre-market floor held. QQQ still looking bullish. 98 cents is my average. I am in 50 contracts. Just 50 contracts. I'm bullish, guys. I'm very bullish based off the cues. If we're going to hold 638, I'm bullish.
Huh?
Look at
I work
QQQ's
for
chart.
everything.
Contracts are slow again today. They're not moving.
You know how much I love you? I'm gonna purple. Do you know how much I love you? I love you so much. You're the best. You're the best. You make me so happy.
Albert, your mic's on, buddy. All right, thank you. I'm still in calls, guys. Look at QQQ, the strength on Qs. 638 calls, I'm in. If they flip view up again, we're going to blast off back to the top. Lots of strength on Qs. If Q starts rolling over and we take a run back to 638, then I'll just get out. But these contracts are not moving fast. I'm in 50. I have a 98-cent average. I like the bullish strength that Qs is showing. So let's see if they run it up. Let's take a look at the flow. What's the flow? It's pretty even. Yesterday we were very, very call side heavy, and I think that's why they pushed it down yesterday. I can't imagine a lot of people swung calls. The conditions at the end of the day didn't look like it was good to swing calls, so it makes sense for them to keep it elevated or continue north today now. But we're pinned at POC. Anybody watching QQQ's chart? Something in the tech world is booming right now. AMD's up. I'm staying in this. Not really squeezing much out of this, but stay in it. Guys, I almost bought on the bottom of that wick, and I'm only up $275. And look at that big move. That would be a 10-cent move any day of the week. That's why I'm just staying in this thing. Let's see if we can actually flip view up and push. There we go. There we go. Take your profits. We got 10 cents here. 98 cents is my average. We're at $1.12, $1.14. I'm gonna take 25 off and just trim out of this. I don't know how far they're gonna go up, so I just trimmed some out. I'm just in 25 runners to see if we just continue north. Look at the bullish conditions on QQQ. I have a very strong feeling we're gonna poke through supply today. Very strong feeling. I'll drag my stop up for these runners to 638.20s. It'll probably punch me out with like 2 or 3 cents of profit. If we crack 638.20s, then I'll exit. One more candle north and I'll get out. It'll be about 20 cents on these. I'm in smaller contracts, less contract size, so I didn't hit it with 100 today. Just 50. QQQ is still climbing. Still wants to go north, QQQ. bullish. We're bullish. Here we go. Is anybody still in? I'm still in runners, guys. I want us to break through this supply, but as soon as I see $1,000 on the day with just 50 contracts, I'm going to take it. $0.95 is my average now for runners. We're at $1.20. I have a feeling we're gonna blast off, but as soon as I see $1,000, I'm at 962 right now. As soon as I see $1,000, I'm selling. I think I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it, guys. I'm all out. That's it. It's easy. $95.01 to $1.20. Simple. It's easier for them to go north, in my opinion, today. Everybody's going to be trying to short this, and it's easier for them to go north. Can you guys hear me? Or am I talking to myself? Okay. I'm all out. I sold. I have a feeling they're going to bust through this supply, though. I don't want to be a part of the trap if they do a trap early. Do we have 9:45 news today? No, just 10 o'clock news. Job openings and consumer confidence. Let's go, AR. That's all right, man. It's fine. It's fine. Profit's profit. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Just a couple concerns right now. Obviously, it's early. Market just opened. And yes, we're at supply and everything's looking bullish, but you never know if a knife is going to come in. So if you see profits, at least take some of it, and try to. That's why I always every single trade I get into, I always scale out. If you ever notice, I always scale out of it, just in case a trap comes or something. Unless I enter it and I'm wrong right away, but if I'm starting to pick up profit, I start trimming it out. Trim it out. You're paying yourself, You want to pay yourself. Tesla's dumping. Tesla's a roller coaster. I don't trade Tesla. I haven't traded Tesla this whole year. QQQ's starting to pull back. QQQQ. Yeah, I saw AMD's my biggest mover that I'm looking at right now. They're up almost 3%. AMD. AMD's almost 3% up. Let's see if they take out 638 now or not. Let's take a look. Call side's heavier. I'm not going to hit calls at 638. Looks like sellers are starting to get a little more aggressive. QQQ is trying to bounce already. Let's see how far they'll pull back. Finally, we're getting better price action. This is much better than yesterday. If Dimitri was on right now, he'd be screaming, puts. I'm not going to chase anything today because the fake outs yesterday, so.
No, I would not. This is demand. I gave you my 2 levels.
Yes, you would be.
This is demand.
They're going to
I
break,
said
guys.
put 638, 60 calls, 638. I will do calls here.
Norville agrees.
No, I would not.
You're still on the phone with them?
This is the picture I sent you guys. Calls at the bottom, puts at the top. Fuck you.
I don't trust this demand here anymore. It worked once. I don't trust it the second time. QQQ pulled back to view up. Bounce coming in. I got nothing right now. Maybe if we get back up to VWAP area and SPY and start rejecting, and I'd try a 639 put, but I don't want to buy puts here. And I don't trust this demand now because they trapped. Small trap. So let's see if they actually take the floor and continue south or not. QQQ's in the middle. They pulled back to the middle. They got VWAP. They're sitting on top of pre-market. Wicked off the 50. And SPY's at demand. I don't trust this demand yet. I want to see if they break it first. There is. Well, the put to call ratio is starting to even out again. It was kind of call side heavy before, but looks like it's starting to even out. If I don't take a trade in the next 2 minutes, I'm not gonna take a trade until after our 10 o'clock news. I don't want to force anything I don't like today. I only have my one trade so far. It's only $900. The reason why I don't like this demand here is there's a lot of room below us. You try going off along here, there's a potential to get trapped, so I don't want to be a part of the trap if they go south. Q's is finally cooperating now. The VIX isn't even buzzing yet. VIX is not even buzzing. What's IWM doing today? IWM's leaking. They gapped up, but they're leaking. Everything's pretty much in sync besides Q's. Q's had a much bigger gap up. Bearish right now. $570.40s on QQQ. I'm looking to see if they do a big bounce there. Almost like a reversal on QQQ. I don't care how far SPY gets dragged down. If QQQ cracks pre-market support, we can freaking royal flush right now. So just be very careful going calls. I would not touch calls yet. This is the pre-market floor. Let's see if they bounce off of it or not. 637 calls on my screen. I missed that wick, so I don't think
Guys,
I can even
I'm
jump
in
in.
calls, guys. This is a weekly level. I just got into calls. This is a weekly level. I'm in calls.
What was wrong with your broker? They fixed it?
I was logged into like 7 fucking places, apparently.
Dimitri, Q's is sitting on pre-market demand right now. If they crack this, there's a big pocket south. So
Correct.
yeah.
I got in there right at the bottom. I bottom ticked this shit, so I'm a little bit red. Very little. Now I'm a lot red.
There you go. QQQ broke. I'm going to go hands off until 10 o'clock, guys, I think. We have a red folder and an orange folder at 10 o'clock. I might just wait, see how far we pull back. Previous close is right below us, 636.90s. QQQ cracked demand from pre-market, and they have an empty pocket right now, QQQ. If I see a strong, powerful reversal
Let me
candle
get
come in.
2 egg. Do you have whole wheat toast today? Yeah. Let me get whole wheat toast with 2 eggs.
What the fuck?
Green.
Albert, it's funny.
Ooh, if last week highs rejects, guys, this is gonna be bad. And this is also the 200 EMA on the 5-minute time frame rejection. This is gonna be bad. But I want a test at 637.93. That's what I want. Let's see if the Bulls have it. Damn, I missed 2 great trades in the morning, man. I'm so pissed off.
That lower high was a nice short. I rode calls up to that. I didn't jump in the short side. I'm scared jumping on the short side today just because of supply. But now I'm starting to change my tune because of the bearishness. But I'm looking at Q's. If Q's reclaims pre-market floor, I might jump in calls and chase calls up.
All right. Getting my lunch right now, baby. Let's go. A little bit higher. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I'm
going.
chasing.
I'm all out, guys. That's it. I sold. I'm all out. That was beautiful. Got my lunch.
How many cents you get off of that?
I had 200 contracts. I'm up 1075.
Yeah, it's only 5 cents. The same thing again today. Premiums are not really moving.
Oh, it's disgusting. You gotta size up fucking heavy to make money in these conditions.
Yeah. I'm in calls.
Like,
I'm in
look,
calls now. I'm gonna have a tight stop on this. I just want to see QQQ is trying to reclaim the pre-market demand. If they
it's
push
completely
back into
disgusting. This
if they
market.
push back into that channel, then we should get a retest of 638 on SPY. That's my price target, 638. If 638 flips, then they're gonna do a V shape early.
Yes, Albert, your mic was hot. Where did you go get bagels? Can you deliver me bagels, buddy? I know we live next to each other.
I'm still in calls, guys. I'm only up freaking 2 cents, 3 cents.
Well, you
That's
gotta
wild.
either bottom ticket or top ticket, guys, to make money. This is very difficult to make money in IV conditions.
Yeah. I like QQQ. QQQ looks like they're trying to reclaim that channel from pre-market, so if they push back into there, I should get a move to 638. I'll see if we
Mute
get a
your
higher
mic,
low.
Albert. Mute your mic. Your mic is not muted. You gotta press the mute button, buddy.
There you go.
There you go. Now you pressed it.
Still in. QQQ's back into the channel. POC is price target on QQQ. 638 is price target for me on SPY. My contracts are completely garbage today. Here's 5 cents here, finally. 6 cents. I'm going to take half off.
This was the previous floor. Let's
Yeah.
make it a roof if you're bearish. So be very careful holding calls here. I'm 100% cash.
I took half off to see if we actually flip and push. There's not much money today, guys. You need big, big moves to make money today. Just keep that in mind.
Correct.
I'm not even looking at my price. I'm not even looking at my average or nothing. I'm just looking at the chart. I'm selling where I want to sell, and that was only 5-6 cents. It was nothing. I'm up $1,200 on the day. If we take this candle out, I'm gonna dump my runners.
Oh, you got more than me. Congratulations.
Not anymore.
Oh,
If we lose
I would have
this,
hammered. I would have
I'm
hammered puts at the high
I'm
of
out.
day.
I'm out.
and
I'm
then-
out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
So sad.
I'm out. I actually lost money on that trade. Yeah, I need to size with like 200 contracts for me the way I want to trade today. You're right. I'm going to leave it alone until news. We get a big overreaction north and we don't take out POC 638.50s. I might try shorting. If we get a big boom boom candle south and we hold previous close, I'll try going long. I don't want to touch this where we are right now. We're in the middle of this gap up. QQQ's looking
I
weak.
really want PCP for a gap close reversal. It worked very well yesterday, guys. I'm waiting for PCP.
Oh,
I
dude,
have 637 calls on my screen.
it worked so good. I didn't even think, like, I tried it yesterday. I hit calls off a previous close yesterday, but usually they do a little fuckery there and blow past it first. I'm surprised they gave it to everybody.
That was a great play yesterday.
But it doesn't
I was
even
taking a
matter.
shit while I had-
It doesn't even matter, dude. Freaking, they still went south, you know?
Wow, look at that. They want to go north, guys. That was an agenda candle.
They did it before news, too. They did
Look
it
at
before
that.
news. Bears are trapped.
Mate,
Bears are fucking trapped. I'm gonna wait until 10 o'clock, guys. I'm not gonna step in front of this now. Be very careful shorting. You see how much power bulls have at the top. Bulls have power.
So VIX filled its first gap, guys. VIX next gap is at 1427. We are approaching danger zone for VIX.
Have you ever seen the VIX like at $10? Is that even possible?
Yeah. Yeah, when we were trading with Gundy. Remember?
Yeah, when we were just grinding every single day, it was just small cycles north.
Yeah. Yeah.
What was the lowest VIX has ever been historically? Do you know?
I traded VIX when it was at $10 and it touched below $10 for a quick second.
Wow, the low on VIX is $8.56, 2017. Disgusting. One minute
I want
till
VWAP to
news.
break, guys. I want
One-
VWAP to break. VWAP breaks, I'm in puts.
1 minute until news.
I want VWAP to break first. I got puts on my screen, 638 puts on my screen. I want VWAP to break. But this was support. This could be a resistance now, 638. 638 is a very, very strong level.
I got calls on my
Look
screen. I want to see if we freaking nosedive first and put a crazy big wick below.
Yeah, I want the opposite. Oh, it's 10 o'clock news, right?
Yeah, 30 seconds. I'm probably gonna play the overreaction. If we gap up and push north, I'm just get a little skeptical of trying to short supply because they might just go. It's blue skies territory above. That's my only concern. If we go down first and put a crazy wick below the body, though, I might jump in calls. We'll see. Or we can just freaking ripsaw sideways and do nothing. We're back to the middle of the range. Bulls and bears are fighting. They didn't do shit. They did not do shit. QQQ. QQQ's looking bearish still. But they're trying to hold pre-market floor.
Whose mic is that? Oh, June, your mic is hot. I'm gonna mute you, okay, June? If you want to say anything, let me know.
I got nothing here. I was just waiting patiently. I'm up $875 on the day.
Oh, you had more.
I got robbed on that my last call play. My runners actually freaking went past. I stopped my runners above where my initial entry was, and I was still red on them. That's how bad the conditions are today. That's how bad the premiums are moving. I see sloping support starting to build on QQQ and SPY. One higher low, higher high, higher low. Same thing on QQQ. A little bit of sloping support starting to try to form. 637.70s, I would try calls if they hold. If they crack this little support, then never mind, forget about it.
In puts, guys, I just got filled. I'm in puts. Sloping support broke. Can I get a new low? What do you think?
I don't think sloping support broke. Not yet. We have two rising bottoms, trying to make a third one right now. But QQQ looks like they were gonna go lower. I don't know, man. I don't like any of this right now because you need big measured moves to print right now, and I'm trying to be very picky about what I get into. I'm gonna wait for overreactions or something. Like if we get another big candle south, I'll try to catch a bounce off of it, or a nice big blast off north. I may try to short it depending on where we are. QQQ just broke sloping support. Now they should go lower. I'm gonna jump in calls or puts. Jesus, I'm fucking all reversed today. I'm in 638 puts. QQQ just broke sloping support.
I'm
638
loaded.
puts.
Loaded.
Here we
Boom,
go.
boom, boom. QQQ 200 EMA is my price target. 5-minute chart. Or last week's highs.
I got 7 cents on 200 contracts. I'm taking 100 off right here, and I'm gonna hold 100 and see if we put in a fresh low. I don't want to give anything back on my runners. I have a 92-cent average. We're at 97 cents.
One more. Tap it in. One more, baby. One more. Just tap it in for me. I'm greedy.
Yeah, this is bounce zone, but QQQ's double bottom. If they break it, SPY should get dragged down to at least 637.30.
Boom, boom, boom. A little bit more.
It looks like they're gonna try to go. If I get 10 cents out of my runners, I'm out. I'm at 6 cents. I'm gonna book it.
Oh.
I'm out. I can always re-enter, guys. Just take it when you see it. This is how you have to trade these conditions, unfortunately. I'm not going to be participating in the holding game. If they break it and they go fast, then I'll jump back in. But as of right now, I had 6 cents. I took what was left. I'm at 18.75 on the day now. If they break it, I'll jump back in. QQQ
I really want the
double
Qs to
bottom.
test this 200. I really want the Qs to test 200 on the 5-minute chart.
Q's is double bottom right now. It looks like they want to go.
That's what they're showing you.
Yeah. Should be VU up now.
Okay, this is bullish. This is flat, actually. There's no fucking trade here.
Look at our range. Our range is only 20 cents. That's the other issue. Our range is not that big. Right now, as of right now, our range is from 637.60s to 638. 70s to 638. 30 cent range.
Qs is much weaker right now. Let's drag SPY. SPY is at 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart, that's why. Come on. Come on, SPY. Just dump. I don't like trading in these conditions, honestly. These conditions are fucking brutal.
SPY or QQQ takes the floor out with power. I'm jumping back in 638 puts.
I don't recommend you do that. I think price target is going to hit when it takes the floor out. Boom, boom, boom.
I'm back in
Let's
638
go.
puts. I'll try it. QQQ's breaking the floor. One little push and then I'm out. I got 3 cents here. One little push. No, I'm going to stop out of this. Today's not the day. Ooh, I got 2 cents.
Go, go, go. I'm still holding. Let's fucking go. There you go. A little bit lower, Qs. 200 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. Blast off or no? Come on.
I jump back in. I don't like buying puts here, but Q's is looking like they're going to try to go south. So I'm back in 95-cent average.
Fucking times are you going to go back in it?
Dude, I'm just playing tight. If I fucking...
Go.
It is what it is, man. My P&L's going up. I got 3 cents here I could sell.
Go. There you go, guys. There you go. SPY's price target hit for SPY. I'm all out.
Big
I'm all
bounce.
out. I sold.
Big bounce coming in on Q's now.
I wanted last week's highs for SPY. Again.
I'm cash.
Whew, making money is a fucking daunting task.
I'm cash.
I think I'm done. I think
Call-
I'm done, guys. I am done.
Call side's
And
gonna work here. I just jumped in calls, 637 calls. I want to see if we
we'll do
take
the
out
VIX
sloping.
class after this.
I want to see if we take out sloping resistance right now and go touch VWAP. 637 calls, and my stop is at 637.60s, just below it. I'm in 637 calls. If we take out the sloping resistance, we should get a nice push to VWAP. Fresh low on QQQ, nice big bounce coming in. MACD's curling up, squeeze is bullish on SPY. I have 3 cents. I hate these conditions. I really hate these conditions. You know another thing too
My
about
broker's off, guys.
you know another thing, Dimitri, about high VIX, high IV. We get really big cycles. So even if you're wrong, chances are we're gonna get a
Correct.
cycle and it's gonna come back and bail you the fuck out. Problem with
Correct.
this
I was
burn
gonna talk
game
about
is
that. I was gonna talk about that today. Correct.
problem with this burn game is if you get stuck, you're stuck.
Be very careful trading, guys. I'm telling you, do not trade. VIX is under $15. It's gonna be a daunting fucking task to make money, guys. I'm warning you guys. You're gonna lose your fucking money. I had to size in 200 contracts, and I'm up $1,800 on the day. So you can only imagine if you're gonna size up 5, 10, 20 contracts,
I'm
you're
holding
not gonna make
calls.
shit today, guys.
I'm holding calls to see
Warning
if we
you guys.
take out the sloping resistance.
It's a
637.60s is
daunting,
my
daunting
stop.
task to make money.
637.60s is my stop. Maybe a little bit below 637.60s. But dude, when it turns the other way, I'm getting ran over. So I went up only 3 cents. I have a $1.29 average. It just pulled back. I was down freaking 13 cents. That's another thing you need to realize. This contracts will get steamrolled if you're wrong, but they don't. The delta is very, very low. I'm staying in this. Let's see if we break this. I want view up. Unbelievable. I just went down $1,000 and I'm only up $100 here, and I bought pretty much at 637.60s. I don't know if any of you guys are watching the YouTube side of it. I know it's delayed, but you could see my live P&L. My contracts are not moving. It's garbage. If they blow through VWAP from here, then they'll start picking up steam. And I'm in the money too. That's another thing. Don't play out the money with these conditions. QQQ is looking like it wants to try to push north. Sloping resistance is breaking. I still have 3 cents here. Now they're moving 6 cents. View up is price target. Just above 638, just above supply. I'd like to try to exit. If they can do it. What's the put to call ratio?
All right, guys. I have officially done something that I might regret, but I just withdrew every single cent out of my parents' account. I'm done.
Why?
I'm happy. I don't want to trade in these fucking conditions.
You should leave some ammo in there for
I just withdrew $250,000 into their account. I just paid $250 for doing that. You gotta pay Robinhood to fucking withdraw.
I mean that's not bad.
You gotta fucking pay them to withdraw your money also.
Yeah. To pay $250, that's nothing. That's fine.
The account has 0 now. That's it. I'm done with that account, guys.
Look at that, dude. Year to date, 324. Good job. Good job.
I don't wanna keep trading for them, honestly. I'm very, very afraid. I haven't made a single trade last week. So that's it.
I'm still holding calls, guys. QQQ's looking bullish. We're at supply right here. If we flip it, then I'm going to exit. VWAP is still price target. This is supply. I only have 6 cents here, and I pretty much bottom ticked this channel. I'm sure other gurus that are trading right now probably have like 60 cents, but real brokers aren't really moving fast today. Is your broker moving
Thank you,
fast
Normal.
today, Dimitri?
My broker's off, guys. I'm satiated.
I went down to half
What
size
is it
here.
called?
I'm in 50
I
contracts
just need
now.
like. I just need another 10 grand. I'll be break even from last week. I'm satiated. I don't want to fucking do home runs anymore. It's back to my discipline roots. 1 to 2 good trades. This market conditions you do not fuck with, guys. I'm telling you, when the VIX is below $15, $14, you do not overtrade. You do not stay your welcome that long.
I'm
I will
staying my
teach you
welcome.
when
I'm
you
staying
guys
my
are all
welcome.
done.
Let's see if we can flip this supply right here. If this supply flips, then I'll have a nice little push. But QQQ has falling tops. Lower high, lower low, lower high. And if they try to go for a lower low on Qs right now, then SPY is going to break this demand at 637.60. I want a clean little push through 638 to VWAP, and then I'm going to sell. A little bit higher. I think I'm being greedy. There's like a fucking 1 cent difference here on my contract, so I'm just going to take it, guys. I'm all out. 29.25 on the day. I am all out.
You got $1,000 more than me, but I'm happy, honestly. I'm done trading, so whenever you're done trading, guys, let me know. We'll do the VIX class.
Yeah,
Real quick.
I'm down to do that. I'm gonna take it off of YouTube though. If you want to give a class, I'll stop the YouTube.
Since you didn't fucking want to do your class.
How am I gonna do a freaking SPX price action class when the price doesn't move? I'm not gonna recommend to trade SPX when these aren't the conditions to trade SPX. That's the problem. No excuses, Joey. I just don't want you guys to blow up. Trust me. Buy SPX today and watch what happens. Those things will melt.
Facts, Joey. This is pure excuses. He just doesn't know the knowledge.
Wow, that's rough. Let me pull up my P&L on SPX for the year. One moment.
Facts, Joey. Look at him being all fucking emotional now.
One moment.
You don't have to do it.
No, dude. You can.
Joey, what time you coming here, buddy? Joey, what time? Oh, I can't wait, buddy. We are going to smoke the biggest J and put the biggest shawarma into our mouth.
Don't threaten me with a good time, bro.
Anybody is welcome tomorrow, guys. We're going to be in Manhattan. Please join.
I'll bring the weed.
Please join. DM me or Joey. I'm excited to meet such a beautiful person.
Joey, are you staying there? You get a hotel there? Or you just driving?
Oh, he's staying in one of the most luxurious hotels in the world.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Are you guys going to get
You ever
bunk
heard of the
beds?
Holiday? You ever heard of the Holiday Inn?
Motel 6?
Guys, we are in a wedge again. I do believe this wedge pattern will continue for another few minutes. I don't think we're going to dump here. This is a wedge.
Cheaphotels.com. I used rewards. Yo, you know what app I like, Joey? I showed Dimitri this app. It's called Hotel Tonight. And sometimes if you book it same day or within a couple hours of trying to check in, sometimes you get crazy good deals.
Yeah. Yeah, Albert, I'll probably be in Florida by next week. We'll see.
Albert, you down here? You're in Florida?
Albert lives across the street from me.
Oh. Actually, like across the street, you guys could wave to each other through
Literally.
your windows.
Yeah.
At the end of the month, end of August, I could picture you guys waving across your windows. Hi, boss.
But Albert, I go to West Palm Beach. I don't go to Miami.
All right, I'm gonna ask the I'm gonna shut the YouTube live down if you're gonna do the class. So if anybody's on YouTube and wants to
Uh,
come join the class,
is
throw the
anybody
link in.
red or did anybody not take trades? Because there might be another good trade coming up, but it's gonna take a while. So if anybody is opposed to it, we could still wait for price actions to develop.
Joey's green.
But if not, I'll teach you guys about the VIX class to not fuck with this market conditions. That's why. Trust me, guys. I'm not happy about making $1,800. I would be happy about making $10,000, but this conditions is very scary, guys. When the VIX is under $15, you shut it down.
We're in that range still. 637.60s to 638.
Yeah, it's gonna be a daunting task to make money, guys. I'm telling you.
Look at QQQ.
Just look at that. We just bounced off of the wedge, guys. That was a beautiful wedge bounce. POC bounce also. Now we might actually break VWAP and then test the top of the range. It's literally just tops and bottoms right now, guys, of the wedge. If you're looking at my screen, we will break VWAP now. This is
I
looking
went
bullish.
top to bottom of this range and it was less than 10 cents though. That's something to just keep in mind. If you guys are making, unless you hit like the perfect entry, if you're only trading 5-10 contracts, you're only making $40 in this range right here.
I'll explain to you, Albert, what the VIX is. So the VIX, you know how there's news that move stocks, like UNH, like it fucking dumped like more than half. That was a catalyst. So SPY has catalysts also, which is like the economical news. But the main thing is SPY moves from the VIX. So I'll teach you what it is. It's called the rule of 16. Just give it a minute, I guess. We'll start at 10:30. How's that? 10:30 we'll start.
That sounds good. 10:30 is good.
Yeah, we'll start at 10:30. I haven't taught in a while, honestly.
Better you than me, buddy. I'm terrible at teaching.
Oh wow, wedge is breaking down, guys. Holy shit, wedge is breaking down. If this wedge breaks down, this is gonna be bearish.
What's today's date? 27? 29? We're at 2,917 watch hours. We need 3,000 watch hours, guys, and Dimitri and I have a surprise for all of you. We're almost there. Maybe within the next couple days, and then we're gonna have a surprise.
It's worth it. It's worth it, Albert, to day trade only at the best levels. Like, I don't know if you saw, Albert, I posted a picture at 926, and both of those levels hit to the T. This picture. Like, literally, both of those levels hit to the T. You could have done puts at the top range, you could have done calls at the bottom range, and just call it a day. Your work day would have been 5 minutes. I was busy calling Charles Schwab. I couldn't do it, but I just trade levels. I don't care about anything else. I just trade levels. Did you watch the masterclass, Albert, with how to get the levels? Key levels. That's it. I just care about key levels. Find the mountains in the chart, and I'm telling you, they always work.
We're ping-ponging
It's all
in
about
this,
the mountains
in
in
this
the chart.
range. We're ping-ponging in this channel. 637.60s to 638 is our channel right now. Probably 7 cents here. There's no money here. There's no money.
This is sloping support now, guys. I like the sloping support. I would be in calls right now, guys. I would be in calls right now. But POC is here. My broker's off.
I still got POC all the way up at 638.50.
No, we're right at POC. This is POC. Oh, Norval, Lambos. You want to see what happened? Look at this shit. Look at this. Look how depressing this is. Who wants to see a moron fuck up a Lambo?
Oh, buddy, what the hell? You caught a
Look at
curb?
that. How much you think that will cost?
Probably 4,000.
Completely fucked it
You
up.
could
man.
bring it. You could bring it to. Are you trying to replace it, or you want to just get it refurbished?
I'm trying to fucking set this car on fire.
You could bring it to a person that refurbishes wheels, and he'll grind it down and repowder coat it black. That's probably your best bet.
Horrible, bro. Yeah, it's a lease. No, Norval. I have a younger brother. It's a lease, Albert. It's a one-time payment.
Yeah. I don't think anybody's gonna want to buy that out, Albert. You'd be upside down on it.
It's such a fucking scam, Albert, because the price was good. I thought the price was good, so I paid for it. But then they only give you 7,500 miles for the year.
Buff it out. I mean, you could get one of them things that you plug into your OBD2 port, but there's just so much electronics in that car, you don't know. What do you pay per mile if you go over $5?
About $3 almost, I think.
$3 a mile.
Buddy,
doing
the car costs about 4,500 a month, 5,000 a month.
No, I'm just thinking if it's even worth it to try to squeeze another 10,000 miles out of it, but no, it's not. Here's
Look at
the
this
man.
price action, man. Look at this
QQQ
price
is at
action.
triple bottom, taking the low out, and SPY is at demand. Let's see if they take the floor. Momentum play puts.
Hey, Dimitri,
What's up, buddy?
if you call them, you might be able to prepay for miles and get it a lot cheaper.
Like add-on miles?
Yeah, like Brittany's lease that I just did. I prepaid 2,000 and it ended up cutting her mileage in half pretty much on the cost. So instead of paying 72 cents a mile over, I ended up paying like 21 cents a mile over.
Oh, okay.
If you do it ahead of the time, like not being penalized, you're saying?
Yeah, like he should be able to call in and ask them like, "Hey, I want to prepay for more miles," and they'll usually
chasing
give you a
puts.
significant discount.
I'm
Oh,
chasing.
my bad.
I'm chasing puts. No, you're good, dude. I just see QQQ taking the floor out. I'm just gonna chase the double bottom. Just a double bottom, 637.30s. Just watch out for the big
Good
bounce.
play.
If the bounce comes
Be
in,
very
then-
careful, guys. The reason I wouldn't want to chase puts is because VIX is at last week's lows. As you guys can see, there is a supply at last week's lows, and if VIX tries to break out, it's gonna be then the 200 on the 5-minute time frame. So VIX is at strong supply, guys. I'm bullish on the market. I
want double
It's a
bottom.
fucking daunting task to go down, guys.
I want double bottom.
Look at the Qs. The Qs is on the 200. But we'll see. My broker's off.
I have 5 cents here, 3 cents. There's no money, dude.
I would be in calls, guys. Every single fucking dip is a buy.
You're only saying that because your
Just look at
broker's
the VIX.
off.
Look at the VIX though. No, look at the VIX. It's trapped at last week's lows. Strong supply at VIX.
Break even here. I like the weakness on Qs. I think they should do double bottom. If they flip back into this channel, I'll take a tiny loss. I'm down 2 cents. I should have got out on that wick. Nice. Trapped. Took a loss.
Every
Wow,
dip is a
dude.
buy, guys.
Holy fuck.
Because VIX is at strong supply, guys. That's why I look at the VIX, guys.
Dude,
QQQ was at the 200 EMA. VIX was at strong supply, and SPY was
dude,
bound to.
you want to know what just happened to my contracts?
They got eradicated.
I caught that pretty much the bottom of 1026 candle. I only went up 6 cents. My break even was about 637.60. 11 cents on that bounce. They just rugged me. Fucking unbelievable. I'll try sloping resistance though. I'm gonna get my loss back and then I'm shutting this shit off. A little bit higher.
I would not trade, guys. I'm telling you, I would not trade. If you are on a small account or a cash account, do not trade, guys. This is not the market conditions to trade. I'm telling you guys, this is a disgusting market right now.
I'm back in puts.
Unless you're doing futures. Futures you could trade. Futures is fine. Contracts, horrible, horrible.
QQQ's bouncing nice. Looking like they're gonna head back up to supply 638. I'm in at 89 cents, 638 puts. See if we get a retest of that floor, 637.60. QQQ's bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. Power's coming in, bull side. Give me my fucking loss back. And then I'm shutting this shit off. Here we go. Nice job, A-team. Yeah. I was trying to get it to double bottom. I had 6 cents. I didn't book.
You have to book at 4, 5, 6 cents in this market conditions. I feel like I'm beating a dead horse, guys, but we are not having big moves as you guys
I'm
can
good
see.
now. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm in 200 now. I got $1,000 here. I just want to retest this floor, 637.60s. I'll take 100 contracts off. I just got my loss back. And look at these lightning candles. Thank God I fucking sold. What did I have before? 20, 28? 29? I'm going to take it all off. I'm back to 28, 25. See, sloping resistance still is strong. Sloping resistance. Higher high, lower low on QQQ. I'll give it one more shot if they take the floor. I'll give it one more shot. I'm all cash right now. I'm not in a position right now. Dude, as soon as I hit the sell button, they had that lightning candle. It's like they know. They know exactly where people are trying to line up today because the range is so tight.
Let me know when you're done. We're going to start the class. Want to get out of my house also.
I mean, I should be done. I shouldn't be trading anymore. I'm at $2,800. I just wanted to try to catch the floor. If 637.60s cracks again, I wanted to try to take it down. I was thinking maybe that pop was a foolery pop, because sloping resistance is still here. We got lower highs and lower lows on Qs. I'm thinking double bottom is not so unrealistic, but we'll see. I'm back in. I'm back in. 638 puts. I'm going to sell this as soon as I see a wick come in. I'm out. I'm up 8 cents already. Come on, give me double bottom, man. I got to take it. I'm out. All right, I'm out. What the fuck was that? 95 cents to $1.05. 10 cents. Nice. I'm done. $3,800. Not my proudest day, but also not terrible. I think double bottom's in play. Okay, my friend. Broker is off. Let me shut off the YouTube. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to end the YouTube broadcast, and then I'll record the VIX class, and then put it into the masterclass videos. You're going to just do a short one, right?
It'll probably be a nice 30 to 40-minute class.
Yeah.
So
yeah, that's
brace
fine.
yourselves.
No, that's fine. That's what I meant by short. All right.